Master English in 30 days. Simple steps to speak confidently. Today, I'm going to show you how to speak like a pro in just 30 days, without stress, without complicated grammar rules, and definitely without the need to be perfect. Let's get started. Step 1. Master everyday phrases. You don't need to know all the words, just the ones that matter, like hello. Because trust me, you need it, and how are you, which is the international greeting that everyone uses. I mean, who doesn't ask how are you at least once a day? Practice these simple phrases, trust me, you'll feel like an English pro with just these in your pocket. Step 2. Speak every day. Even if you're talking to your pet hamster in English, do it seriously. The key is practice. 15 minutes a day, just speak. Look at this hamster, it's doing better than you at speaking English, so if it can do it, you can too. Step 3. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Stop stressing about being perfect. You're learning, not auditioning for a role in a holiday movie. Don't worry if you make mistakes, just speak, speak, speak. See, even if your sentences sound a little weird, it's okay, just keep speaking. We're all in this awkward English boat together. Step 4. Listen and repeat. You know that moment when you're watching a movie and the character says something really cool and you try to say it too, like they did? Do it. Listen, repeat, and become the star of your own movie, just without the fancy costumes. Just copy them like you're in a movie. Hey, I can do this. You'll sound cooler every time. Step 5. Think in English. Oh, now we're going to ask you to do something crazy. Try thinking in English. Yes, even when you're doing things like brushing your teeth, making breakfast, or counting your steps, you can totally think in English. Okay, so maybe it's a bit weird at first, but trust me, thinking in English is a game changer. Step 6. Use technology to speak more. There are apps, podcasts, YouTube channels, you name it. Use them to practice speaking. Technology is your best friend. These apps can help you practice everywhere, on the bus, in the kitchen, or even while you're trying to avoid your responsibilities, so no excuses. Step 7. Join conversation groups. You can't speak alone forever. Well, maybe you can if you're really dedicated to talking to your plants, but seriously, find someone to talk to. Online conversation groups are perfect for this. Join groups, talk to people, even if your dog doesn't understand you, at least someone else will. Step 8. Stay positive and have fun. If you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. Celebrate every little victory, like saying I'm hungry without getting it mixed up with I'm happy. Remember, learning English should be fun, not stressful. Keep going, keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking confidently in no time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, hit like, share with your friends who are also struggling with speaking, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons. See you soon.